Bathing is one of life's simple pleasures, and the benefits of bathing go beyond just cleansing the body. A perfect beauty regime begins the minute you step into the shower. Sure, you're bathing daily and have mastered the art of a quick shower, but is this quick everyday routine actually good for your skin? Hi, I'm Shruti, and today I'm going to let you in on some key products and helpful showering tips that you need to use and follow for a hydrated, beautiful and healthy body. While cleansing your skin is important, it's equally essential to use mild, gentle and moisturizing shower gels that will lessen skin dryness and keep it soft and smooth. Our current favorite is the Nivea Creme Care Shower Gel that's very gentle on the skin and washes off the dirt while preserving the natural oils of the skin's surface. You only need a small amount of the gel, so squeeze a dollop, work it into a rich lather, and then gently rub it all over your body in circular motions, avoiding your face. A loofah helps spread the gel evenly so that you don't end up wasting the product while showering. Just a little goes a long way with this product. Now here's a shower tip. Pay extra attention to your armpits, feet and toes as they are high density sweat gland areas and experience more sweat as compared to the rest of your body. We prefer using shower gels over soaps because soaps make the skin rough, dry and flaky by stripping off the natural oils from the surface of the skin. They are a breeding ground for bacteria as they accumulate dirt after being left open in the shower. And they are unhygienic, especially if you're sharing the bathroom with your family members and roommates. Shower gels also enhance the purifying and cleansing experience of your otherwise regular showers. The Nivea Creme Care Shower Gel, for example, is enriched with the properties of Nivea Creme, which has soothing and moisturizing ingredients that keeps your skin hydrated and leaves you looking fresh all day long. Now, if you find that you're getting back acne or rashes, be sure to wash your body, including your back, only after you have washed your hair. Save your face for last and rinse it with cool water to avoid dehydrating your facial skin as well. A must right before stepping out of the shower is to blast cold water on your hair and body. This will minimize the pores, tighten the skin and reduce dark circles as well. Vigorously rubbing your body with a towel can remove the oils and cause itchiness too. So the best way to do this is by patting yourself dry with a towel. But make sure that the towel is completely dry before patting dry your body, since damp towels are a hotbed for bacteria and can cause acne and skin irritation. Use a fresh and dry napkin to dry your face. So bathing with the right products and following the right steps can effortlessly revitalize and restore your skin. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm Shruti, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.